step one.
They're gonna look really pretty.
All right.
Yeah,
You
perfect.
tell me 1, 2, 3. It's gonna be a little pinch, I promise.
1, 2, 3.
Done.
All done.
It's okay.
You did so good.
You're
You did so good.
fine.
Wait, I know, but wait till you see it, baby.
You're fine. You're
I
fine.
encourage you to do the second one.
Look
your
at
hair.
how
Look at that.
pretty, baby.
Look at that.
Yeah. Do you want me to give you a second to do the second one?
I know it hurts a
Take a
little.
moment.
It's just a quick pinch.
It's gonna tingle for a couple minutes and then
they
it goes
look-
away.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it
Probably
will.
feels warm and tingling.
Yeah, it will.
That's like it goes away in like 2 minutes.
They are beautiful, though. You know what? You picked. You got a good choice. You made a good choice.
Yeah, that one matches everything, right?
Yeah, it's
Got all
perfect.
the colors in there.
You did really good.
Take a moment. Tell me when you're ready for the other one.
Okay.
Okay, look at me so she can get into your ear there.
She said maybe she'll get a lollipop too, because her friend did.
Of course you can have it.
Her friend got hers pierced and
Oh
got
yeah, I have a big
lollipop.
bucket of lollipops.
Okay.
Hey, Todd, you ready? Can I hold it up
Yeah.
to the dot again?
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh gosh, this is gonna hurt.
No, it's gonna be wonderful because you look so pretty, girlfriend.
Relax your shoulder. All right, I'm on there. And you want to say 1, 2, 3?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, squeeze my hand. Squeeze my hand.
It's the best thing. Squeeze mom's hand and give her some of that
Look how
squeeze.
pretty.
Awesome.
Let me make sure that they're. Oh my
The other
God.
one went on a little tighter, so that's why I didn't.
Oh,
yeah.
is that all right?
Well, yeah, I kind
Yeah.
of just squeezed that one a little bit. This one's on tight enough. That one was a little loose when I did it.
Show Amelia.
Probably because I didn't want to squeeze you hard.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see.
Show Daddy. Those are pretty. I like when. Yeah. Yeah. Those
Very
are pretty.
nice.
You want to see both of them?